Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on your Steam Deck. First, switch your Steam Deck to desktop mode. This gives you access to the underlying Linux operating system, much like a regular computer. Once in desktop mode, open the Discover Software Center. Here, you can easily search for and install a web browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, which are essential for running Roblox. Next, you'll need to get Roblox installed. You can do this by opening your newly installed web browser, navigating to the Roblox website, and downloading the Roblox player. Alternatively, for a more integrated experience, search for Roblox in the Discover Software Center and install the Flatpak version. Once installed, open Steam in desktop mode, click Add a Game at the bottom left, and then add a non-Steam game to browse for and add Roblox. With Roblox added to your Steam library, switch back to gaming mode and launch it. Once Roblox is running, press the Steam button on your deck to bring up the Steam overlay. Navigate to the controller settings. Here, you can browse through various community-made controller layouts specifically designed for Roblox. Choose one that suits your playstyle, or take the time to create your own custom control scheme for optimal gameplay. To ensure the best experience, you might want to adjust Roblox's in-game graphics settings. Lowering them slightly can provide a smoother frame rate, especially in more demanding games. For advanced users, experimenting with different Proton GE versions can sometimes resolve compatibility issues or improve performance in specific Roblox experiences. Now you're all set to dive into the vast world of Roblox, enjoying countless games on your Steam Deck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.